Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade popsicle. So let's start. The materials are popsicle molds, plates, a knife, a spoon, some cups, and a bowl. The ingredients are any drink you'd like, milk, some sugar, and mangoes. So let's start. The first thing to do is take off the covers. Now let's pour the juice. And also make sure to fill it up to the brim. Here, now let's cover it. Now I'm going to pour in some root beer. And again, fill it up to the brim. There. And cover it. Now we're going to make our own version of a mango smoothie. You can blend it, but we're just going to cut it up right now. If you don't know how to handle a knife, then ask for adult supervision, or ask an adult to do it for you. Cut strips on the mango. And do it crosswise. This will make it into tiny cubes. Make sure the mango is ripe so that it tastes good. Now we're going to do it again. Here. Then scoop it out with a tablespoon. Now let's put a few of these mangoes into another bowl. Now let's put 1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar into it. Now let's pour the milk into it. Now stir it up, then add more chunks of mangoes according to taste. This should do. So this is it. Now let's put it in slowly using a spoon. Now let's put more liquid on it. Now let's put the cap on. Let's do the same thing with the other one. Here it is. Now let's put it in the freezer. So, it's already frozen. Let's take it out. To actually get these out, you have to put this in a bowl of water for a few seconds. Usually you just wet the one that you want to get out, but I'll just wet all of these. 30 seconds later, now I'm going to eat the root beer popsicle. Tasty. Now I'm going to eat the mango popsicle. delicious. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!